Master your finances. 5 essential topics every CEO must know. Hello, I'm Alec. Welcome back to Financial Success Secrets. 5 essential topics every must know. 1. Understanding credit scores and credit reports. We'll be discussing credit scores and credit reports. Understanding your credit score and report is essential for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. We'll cover topics such as how credit scores are calculated, what factors affect your credit score, and how to improve your credit score. We'll also talk about how to access and read your credit report, and what to do if you find errors on it. 2. The benefits of saving for college. Welcome. We'll be discussing the benefits of saving for college. College education is expensive, and saving for it early can help you avoid taking on excessive student loan debt. We'll talk about different ways to save for college, such as 529 plans and Coverdell accounts. We'll also cover how to estimate college expenses and create a plan for saving towards those expenses. 3. Understanding insurance, types and importance. We'll be discussing the different types of insurance and why insurance is important for protecting your financial future. We'll talk about health insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, and life insurance, and what each type of insurance covers. We'll also discuss how to choose the right insurance policies for your needs and how to ensure that you're adequately covered. 4. Creating a will and estate plan. We'll be discussing the importance of creating a will and estate plan. Many people put off creating a will and estate plan because they don't like thinking about their own mortality. However, having a plan in place can help ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones are taken care of. We'll discuss how to create a will, how to choose an executor, and how to plan for estate taxes. 5. Retirement income strategies. We'll be discussing retirement income strategies. Retirement is a major life event, and it's important to have a plan in place for generating income during your retirement years. We'll talk about different strategies for generating retirement income, such as Social Security, pensions, and retirement savings accounts. We'll also discuss how to estimate your retirement income needs and how to make sure that you have enough money to support yourself during retirement. Consider leaving your like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.